Enduro UltraFit strap is comfortable, easily adjustable, and superior durability. In this video, we will show you how to use the UltraFit strap. Open the two ends of the strap and pull the strap to a proper position. Put your hands through the strap and fasten the two ends of the strap to fix the watch. Do not make it too tight. Just make sure the heart rate sensor can attach on your wrist and won't move. Please do not let the strap cover the sensor while wearing. To avoid wearing it in the wrong direction, before installing the strap, make sure the Garmin logo is at the lower end and stays upright. Then install the strap on the watch in this direction. For more information, please contact Garmin Product Support Center.